Hello, I'm Mia. Listen, repeat, and have fun. Let's start.
Hi there, nice to see you. How are you feeling today? I'm really happy to see you. It's a beautiful day today. What are you doing today? I haven't seen you for ages. I hope you're doing really well. How was your weekend, by the way? It's great to be here again. I'm so glad we met today. Can you help me with this? I need a little more time. Let's go get some coffee. Please wait here for a minute. I don't understand what you mean. Could you speak a bit slower? I'm trying to learn new words. I really like your new haircut. What time do you wake up? I usually wake up around 7. I'm working on a new project. Let's take a short coffee break. I forgot to send that email. I'll finish this task before lunch. I'm studying English every single day. Don't worry, everything is under control. I like working with positive people. This meeting will start in 10 minutes. I'm learning something new every day. Let's talk about it after work.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.
How much does this cost, please? Do you have this in blue? I'm just looking, thank you. Can I pay by credit card? That's too expensive for me. Do you have a smaller size? I'll take this one, please. Can I try it on now? Where can I find the cashier? The price is really good today. How far is it from here? I need a taxi right now. What time does the bus leave? Can you show me the way? I'm lost. Can you help me? How long does it take there? I'm going to the airport today. My flight leaves early, tomorrow morning. I'd like to book a room. Where can I find good food? Let's meet at the coffee shop. Do you want to hang out tomorrow? I really enjoy spending time together. You always make me laugh, honestly. It was great seeing you again. Let's keep in touch after this. I had a wonderful time today. You're such a kind and funny person. Thanks for inviting me last night. I hope we meet again soon. I'm really tired after this day. I'm a bit nervous about tomorrow. I feel happy when I see you. That makes me feel so good. It's really cold outside today. The sun is shining so bright. It's raining. Don't forget your umbrella. I love walking on sunny days. The weather changes very quickly here. It's too hot to go outside. I think it will rain soon. The sky looks so beautiful tonight. There's a strong wind today. I like watching sunsets by myself. I'm so proud of you today. I want to improve my English. I'm working hard on my goals. I believe everything is possible now. Never give up on your dreams.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.